What's up, guys? So in this video, we're going to talk more about Tesla stock. So as you guys probably know, Tesla stock has been trading at an all-time high, and there seems to be a bit of resistance here at around $1,000. The stock just seems to be hanging out around here, and as the Nasdaq is currently trading at all-time highs, guys, it just looks kind of like this has been basically a sideways point for Tesla stockholders. So as you can see here, guys, also the volume is slowly trending down. So it just seems like Tesla stock is losing a bit of interest lately. But I've got some amazing news, guys, that I think that could make Tesla stock double within the next year or so. And this news is basically the Tesla Cybertruck. So here's an article I found yesterday on electric.co. It says Tesla Cybertruck pre-orders rise over 650,000, guys. So if you guys aren't familiar with the Cybertruck, it's basically this like futuristic looking vehicle. You guys check out, you can search on YouTube and search for like the demonstration that Elon Musk made. Really interesting vehicle. And the reason why I like this vehicle so much is because it doesn't look like other trucks on the market. So, obviously with the Tesla Model 3 and the Tesla Model Y, those are basically normal passenger cars. But I think Tesla did something really special with this truck. And as if you guys aren't familiar with Tesla, they don't really spend money on advertising. So just by making a vehicle that looks different from all the other vehicles in the truck market, that's just a great way to kind of get free advertising. So I really like that. But let's get into the article. It says, Tesla has now over 650,000 reservations for its Cybertruck. So basically, guys, this is a huge, huge deal. Why? So currently Tesla is sitting at around 24. They did 24 billion in revenue last year. And as we can take a look here, it says Webush Securities analyst Dan Ives is out with a new note to clients today, and he says that the firm put reservations at now over 650,000. So the cheapest Cybertruck is like $40,000, but according to the previous tally, it says only 17% of the reservation holders want the cheapest model. So there's actually three versions, guys. So the cheapest version is like 40K, $40,000 US, and then they have a dual motor and a tri-motor version. So it says the dual motor starts at about 50,000, guys. So I did a little bit of math here, and to kind of guesstimate how much revenue that the Cybertruck could potentially add to Tesla's bottom line. So as you can see here, they expect to launch those two higher end versions of the Cybertruck late 2021, guys. So that would be over a year from now. So a little bit in the future, but I think it's really important because it says here if the conversion rate stands at 20%, we're talking about 130,000 Cybertrucks and more than $8 billion worth of sales. And it says, as you can see here, it says that's likely on the low side. Tesla could be aiming to produce as many as 500,000 Cybertrucks per year. So I want to kind of whip out the calculator and do some quick math, guys. Okay, so 650,000 pre-orders is obviously nice, but obviously, due to kind of the global economic situation, let's say that like 150,000 of those reservations just don't end up panning out. So I think 500,000 is a nice, round conservative number. So I'm using the calculator, trusty calculator app. I hope you guys can see this. So as you can see here, I'll just type in 500,000 vehicles. And then, as you can see in the article, it said that the cheapest version was around 30,000, but a lot of people want the higher end. So let's say that the average sale price on the truck is around, let's say, $40,000. Well, no, 40,000 was the cheapest version. So, well, let's just use 40,000 just to be conservative. I guess it's better to be conservative in this situation. Okay, so if we do that, that's about 20 billion in extra revenue. So Tesla brought in around 24 billion in revenue in 2019, and this Cybertruck, by the time it launches in late 2021, could bring in an extra $20 billion in revenue, guys. So remember now, I was using conservative numbers here. The average the $40,000 that I used in this example is like the cheapest version. So there'll be some people that are obviously most of the people are probably gonna get the dual motor and the tri-motor version, but I just wanted to be conservative for this estimate. So this could perhaps bring an extra $20 billion a year in Tesla revenue, and Tesla revenue could potentially be doubling by the end of 2021. So, anytime a stock's revenue can absolutely double that, it's going to do fantastic things for the stock price. So I think this is an important thing to recognize, guys, because a lot of people here are kind of like, well, Tesla's at an all-time high. Should I cash my chips out now? No, things are going to get much better if Elon Musk and all those people working at Tesla can follow through with the Cybertruck orders, and that's not including all of the Model Y deliveries that are going to increase. Obviously, the Model 3, the best selling, uh, electric, the most highly rated electric car out there. So a lot of interesting things for Tesla in the future, and I think this stock could potentially double. So obviously, this is just based on revenue. And guys, with Tesla, even though they've been profitable the last couple of quarters, I like to track their revenue because it gives me a very, very conservative method on where the stock price is going. So as long as this revenue is going to be going up for Tesla, I expect some explosive gains in the stock price. And I'm going to have to bump up probably my price target. So if you guys watch one of my earlier videos, I said that Tesla would probably trade at $3,000 by 2025. I'm probably going to have to update that number because I potentially think that the stock could be trading at 2,000 by 2021 around this time. So maybe next summer, Tesla stock's trading at around $2,000. So for me, I'm just going to hold on to Tesla. Just buy. I think it's a buy, strong buy. We're just beginning to see some great things from this company, guys. So for you guys out there that bought low, you guys bought around the dip, or for some of you guys perhaps out there, I've been watching some of your videos. Some of you guys bought Tesla, maybe back in 2016 at around $200 and have been holding on for now. I would say just hold on. Things are going to get a lot better in the future, and just enjoy the ride. So that's it for now, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please smash the thumbs up button if you enjoyed my content. Subscribe to my channel by smashing that red subscribe button to get more future videos on Tesla. Full disclosure, I'm a Tesla shareholder and will be giving you guys updates in the future. So that's it until next time, guys. Take care.